Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm very sorry to being late nowadays, but what to do, the work is like that, so we have to move on. And just let me know in the comments below how are you doing all, and I really missing your comments. So yes, today I'm here with my vlog. So we are in the strict diet nowadays with Healthify Me. So I'm just going to prepare paneer bhurji, so I thought to share the recipe with you guys also. Let's go and start cooking.
In between, I just forgot there is no paneer at home, so just we are going to get it.
So I just heat up the pan. So I'm going to just add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add pinch of Zeera in it. Next, I'm going to add this finely chopped onion in it. We have to saute this till getting crispy and brown. So onion has become so brown. Next, I'm adding ginger garlic paste, homemade. Give it a mix for 1 minute. Let the rawness of paste, let it go first. Now I'm going to add the masalas. So here I am adding half a quarter teaspoon haldi, turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, dhania, and I'm adding this chili flakes. If you have chili powder, you can add it. And give it a nice mix. And lastly, add the garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Now I'm adding this roughly chopped tomatoes. Give it a nice mix all together. Let tomato cook properly. Then we'll move to next procedure. After adding tomato, I'm adding some amount of salt in it, depend on your taste, so tomato will cook nicely. So what I'm going to do is, we have to just do this with the paneer. We should not grind the paneer, just with the help of our finger only, just do this. Everything has cooked properly now. Now I am going to add the paneer. Add some water with it. Give it a nice mix. If you want, you can add coriander on top of it, and your paneer bhurji is almost ready. As I told you, we are in stick diet. So here is our today's menu. As I showed you guys a paneer bhurji recipe, I just wanted to taste. Nice. Did you like this, right?
Yes, I like it.
Nice it is, huh? So it is like very tasty. Do try this at home. Yum it is.
Okay, full change ಅಲ್ಲ.
Today I just thought to share you guys my hair care routine. I just left this hair care routine long back before of this hair color, and now my hair started damaging, and the dandruff, everything coming started again. So before I used to apply the henna mehendi that one of my friends suggested to me, and it was a awesome improvement to our hair growth, hair fall and dandruff. It's a very nice hair conditioner also, and because of this hair color I was not able to apply that. So now what happened to me is, nowadays we have started doing lots of workout. So because of the sweat in my head, it's converting into a dandruff inside my hair. So I'm so frustrated about it. So I just can't live with a single dirt in my hair. So I thought to again start that same hair care routine. So I will show you guys what I'm gonna do now. So I have just soaked this 1 pack of henna, Nupur henna, overnight. Then you will get the smooth and very fine paste. Make sure you should always put in the steel vessel. And yes, now I have to apply this. Before applying it, just you add 1 egg in it. So I'm just going to add now. Mix it well. Make sure you have a hand gloves, or else all the color will get into your hands, to your nails. That will be very dirty to see it actually. So I'm using this. And secondly, make sure there will be no tangle in your hair. Take out of all your tangle and make it smooth, make it equal. And make sure you are doing this in your washroom, because it may fall on the ground or in some of your dresses also. So be careful with that. So you just can't apply this with the help of brush, because you have to put this amount of henna paste, then only it will work. it's totally completed. So guys, let me tell you, I can bet on this. This will give you the best result because I have personally used this around 3 to 4 years, and yes, do try this. This will give you guys the best result for dandruff, for hair fall and hair conditioning too. You have to keep this around 2 to 3 hours, then you can wash it with the normal water. So after washing it, I will show you guys the result. So I have taken bath and you can see my hair. It's little bouncy and looks like a healthy hair, and I'm feeling more volume inside. So yes, as I told you guys, this is a 100% home nuska. Oh, you're coming over here. Home, be there. Okay, baby.
Action.
So this is a 100% home nuska to use, and do try this. And I applied for this guy also. Show your hair. You're feeling nice?
And lighter.
Come here. Come here. Like this.
Wow.
No, actually this helps. So all this much for this vlog, guys. So see you soon in my next upcoming vlogs. Till then, do like, share and comment, especially to my vlogs, to connect with me. And yes, see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.